Learn English daily.
James, why haven't you been helping? I've been cleaning for the past 2 hours.
Why are you stressing? It's just a bit of mess. Besides, I've been studying for my exams. Or have you forgotten that college life isn't all fun and games?
Oh, please. You've been sitting there for the last hour just scrolling through your phone. You think I haven't noticed?
I've been taking a break, okay. Just a short one. You know, my friends have been telling me you're turning into a total neat freak.
Seriously, James? They've been coming over and leaving their mess here, too. Someone has to clean it up. And since I've been doing all the household chores lately, it would be nice if you could at least pitch in.
But Sarah, I've been trying to balance school and work. You remember I've been working late at the cafe, right? By the time I get home, I'm just too tired.
I understand, James, but that doesn't give you a free pass. The dishes in the sink, I've been washing them every day. And guess what? Most of them are yours.
Okay, you have a point. But seriously, it's not like you've been slaving away alone. I've been taking out the trash, haven't I? And who do you think has been feeding Mr. Whiskers?
Our cat? Oh, don't even start. I've been finding his food bowl empty in the mornings. Have you been forgetting to feed him, or were you just too busy with your breaks?
Ouch! Low blow, sis. I admit, I might have slipped up a few times, but I've been managing most days. You know, with all this fighting, it feels like we've been drifting apart lately.
You're right, James. I just wish you'd see how stressful it's been for me. Mom and Dad have been expecting this place to be spotless when they return.
I get it, Sarah. And I'm sorry. We both have our own stresses. How about we find a middle ground? I promise to be more active in helping around, but you've got to promise not to turn into a drill surgeon.
Deal. But remember, I've been trying to keep this place together for both of us. I love you, you little brat.
Love you too, sis. Now hand me that vacuum cleaner. Let's finish this together.
Alan, are you okay? You look like you've been fighting a losing battle with those spreadsheets all morning.
I have been, Lucia. This new project has been driving me crazy. The client's been changing their requirements daily, and I've been updating this document for the past 3 hours.
No wonder you're stressed. I've been hearing whispers that this client is quite demanding. But don't worry. I've been working on the marketing side of things, and it's coming together nicely.
That's good to hear. I appreciate it. I know you've been putting in extra hours lately. How's your part of the project coming along?
Well, the design team has been working closely with me, and we've been finalizing the visuals. The only issue is that we've been waiting on the updated requirements from you. Once we have those, we can wrap it up.
I apologize for the delay. I've been buried under emails and haven't gotten to send them yet. Let's hope this is the final draft.
I hope so too. By the way, have you heard anything about the budget? I've been trying to get in touch with finance, but they've been avoiding my calls all morning.
Finance has been going through some system upgrades, so they've been a bit slow. I've been working on getting a clear answer, though, so I should have the numbers soon. How have you been managing the vendors in the meantime?
Oh, they've been patient, but I've been reassuring them daily that everything is under control. It's not easy, but we've been moving forward.
You've been doing an excellent job, Lucia. I'm glad you've been taking care of that. We've been working on this for months, and I think we're finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel.
Thanks, Ellen. You've been such a supportive boss. I've been learning a lot from this project, but I must say I've been feeling the pressure.
I understand, and I know the team has been working hard too. That's why I've been thinking about organizing a little office party once this is all over. We all deserve a break.
That sounds wonderful. I'm sure everyone will appreciate it. We've been needing something to lift our spirits.
Absolutely. We've been achieving great things together, and we should celebrate that. Now let's get this project across the finish line. I know we've been facing challenges, but I have full faith in our team.
Agreed. We've been making progress, and we'll keep moving forward. Let's do this.